Welcome everyone to our quarterly program with the CQM PMI GLC quarterly event. I'm your host, Mari, and we are going to have a panel discussion in regards to the success of IPD projects. And we have many good guests for you today. As you've seen the promotion for the event, and we hopefully going to discuss all the different aspects of the IPD. But before we do that, just the purpose of this event and the events that we do with PMI GLC and the construction industry. Again, going back to our story in 2019, when we launched the corporate outreach, we realized that we need to promote the reason why PMPs could be the champions of bringing the project management, business outcome, and also the people leadership that is needed to get projects done and completed. So doing that, we came up with the discussion that we really need to have a community to collaborate and discuss different aspects of the projects and what is needed in the construction industry and how we can improve ourselves and kind of have the common vision and partnership in collaborating with each other on that topic. So that was the birth of our CQM community to mentor each other and kind of bring in mentees from the industry, discuss the new trends, as well as exchange ideas and get involved and hopefully give feedback and support to each other and grow our community. So during our last event with the Engineering Society of Detroit, we presented our quality project management program and how it could help in improving the CQM and construction quality management of your projects. And in that presentation, we kind of displayed how the same concept could be applied to any kind of projects and how you can actually use this framework of the Quality Project Management Office, which is promoted by PMI as the entity or the vehicle to bring your team together in order to standardize the work, do your resource management, do the risk and issue management, improve the supervision and monitoring and continuous improvement, and then apply governance to it and go through this PDCA cycle, if you would, in order to improve that. So the discussions that we had in the previous meetings came to a conclusion that we have to improve in 4 areas. Our construction, of course, with the safety lead and getting leadership in environmental engineering design, environmental design, and supervision of our quality PMIS system, the BIM improvement integration, and applying lean processes, as well as the project management and business management aspect of the work. So the QPMO principle came in to be the strategic alignment, cross-functional IPD teams, lean processes, agile digital transformation, and the CQM quality culture that we are trying to promote for construction and AEC industry, actually, to solve complex problems using simple solutions. And hopefully by doing that, we can develop ourselves to get into the construction 4.0, which takes us from the traditional construction where we have lack of integration, delays in scheduling, material waste, expense miscalculations, low margins in our industry, low productivity and high risk, into a better working teams for better projects. So this discussion panel was very helpful in developing that idea and adding actually another dimension to our previous discussions of how a quality PMO could help with the strategic behavioral change in our industry, the project management change that is required to make it more agile and do better risk sharing and have modern contracts with early involvement of our team members, and then discuss innovation tools and techniques in our future events for hopefully next year when we get together in more meetings that we're going to do quarterly. So Again, you might see my discussions about the same topic with different posts on LinkedIn. I promote the QPMO, the CMBA, the CPMP, and the CQM personnel that could help in bringing the QPMO IPD team together. And the discussion that we are going to have in our September event is going to be on how we can apply Lean IPD in our projects to eliminate the 7 waste of construction by improving the Lean improvement cycles. So that's going to be our September 28th event. We hope that you can join us for that event. And without further ado, I'd like to invite our first guest